Donuts are so much fun. You know, they're kind of exciting. It was just so much I saw that could be done with them. I try to put all my excitement into the donuts. My grandfather had a bakery in North Carolina, and the donut recipe I use is my grandfather's. And my father used to work at my grandfather's bakery after school. He used to glaze the donuts. So my father's very familiar with the donuts. So when I started the donut plant, he would come up here and help me. And when we first moved here to Grand Street, it was him frying the donuts and I was cutting out the donuts. My father was here when I had the idea of making a pistachio donut glaze. So I was making the glaze and everything, and I was glazing the donuts, and my dad goes, "I've never heard of a pistachio donut before. No one's gonna buy a pistachio donut." I was like, okay, well, whatever. I just kept making it. And now it's become one of our most popular donuts. The raspberry was actually one of my first glazes that I made. I would go to the farmer's market and there are these beautiful raspberries. And so I just had this idea of like, instead of all these like artificial colors and flavors, what if I just put the fresh raspberries in the glaze and all the color and the flavor comes just from the raspberries. Things that stimulate my creativity is what keeps me interested. My name is Mark Israel and welcome to the Doughnut Plant.